Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about the verb to prefer. Uh, to prefer we use when you have a bunch of options and you go for one. Um, Preferir is our verb in Spanish. It's an IR verb. It's irregular. I will show you why. Um, and it's very handy. So let's have a look how to conjugate it. Uh, you already know our personal pronouns here in simple structure. Yo, I, tú, you, él, he, ella, she, usted, you formal, nosotros, we, vosotros, you guys, Spain, ellos, they, ellas, they, feminine, and ustedes, you guys in Latin America. That's it. So, after you prefer something, you can say a verb, an action. I prefer to do this, or I prefer to drink that, or I prefer to walk, or I prefer to eat. Um, or you can prefer a thing. So that's a noun. So let's have a look at verbs first. How to say I prefer to eat pizza. Uh, so how are you? Let's start with yo. I prefer to eat pizza. Yo prefiero comer pizza. As you can notice, this verb has an irregularity. There are four in present tense. This is the first one. Um, the E becomes an IE because you don't say yo prefiero, you say yo prefiero. So you have the I here, yo prefiero. Tú prefieres. Ella prefiere. Yeah, irregularities don't work here in these two. And here, ellos prefieren. Yeah, we have the IE. IE. Yeah, so that's the irregularity, but that's not really important right now. Most important is that you know how to say I prefer or you prefer. So, how would you say you prefer to walk or to run? Caminar is to walk, correr is to run. I'm going to give you 8 seconds to think about it. Do you prefer to walk or to run? Okay, let's do this. ¿Tú prefieres caminar o correr? That's it. Again, ¿tú prefieres caminar o correr? Yeah? O means or. Pretty similar. So it's easy, right? Um, let's say I have a question about your friend, and I'm thinking, okay, does she prefer to uh, does she prefer pizza or pasta? So how would you say that? Does she prefer pizza or pasta? I'm going to give you 5 seconds for this one. Okay, time's up. Ella prefiere la pizza o la pasta. Does she prefer pizza or pasta? O la ensalada or whatever. Okay, so that's pretty much the verb to prefer. Um, to use it on the street, on on real life situations. Well, first of all, you do your Quizlet flashcards. This is very important. Notes and writing if you have time. And to use them in real life situations, just ask people questions like, ¿prefieres pizza o sushi? It's like, do you prefer pizza or sushi? ¿Prefieres Lima o Santiago? Do you prefer Lima o Santiago? Lima, Peru, Santiago, Chile. And also tell people what you prefer to eat, to do, to drink, everything. And by doing this, you are going to nail this verb. It's also really good when you have a bunch of options and you want to say, okay, I prefer this or that. So if you go, let's say, shopping, or if you go, I don't know, if you're about to buy something, you can tell a person what you prefer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Hasta luego.